Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2018 Ford F550 we have for sale. It is a four-wheel drive, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, crew cab. It's got a nap-height 11-foot body with a Stellar 7621 fully hydraulic crane, hydraulic outriggers. It's got a hydraulic air compressor. Truck's got 132,000 miles on it. I think around 4,400 engine hours. Rust-free truck. This truck was built, the bed together. It's in a 99 model bed somebody's put on a 23 model truck. So super nice truck. We just serviced it, all filters, oil filter, fuel filter, changed the oil, air filter, all that good stuff. Nice set of tires all the way around. It's just a really beautiful truck, and I don't normally say that about service trucks. So let's walk around and take a look at it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control. Back here and work the crane shortly. Couple little bolt bends here. Is. Looks like it's missing something there, obviously. Check drawer. Crane remote, all your books. All the emissions are in place on this truck. EGR, DPF, all that stuff hasn't been modified. Crane remote. Turn the power on here. Compressor's kicking on there. around. Tension out, tension in, zoom down. Obviously it does a lot more than that. I'm just showing you the basic functions on it. Work lights, got strobes, work light over here, strobes in front, work light up top, park lights. Yeah, you got some park lights in there. So turn your power to crane, apartment light, strobe, street, curve view, and then turn your power off here. $132,269 on the mileage. Hours 43.98 and 17.33 idle. All right. So if you are interested in this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures, look it over. If you are looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're probably going to be looking around $2 a mile to ship this truck. Crew cab, 11-foot bed. These things are heavy and they take up 2 spots on a trailer. So if you're interested in doing that, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is we'll post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York or Wyoming, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally you will have the truck in 3 to 7 days. That's about our average. But you know, I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up in my drive and the exact second they're going to pull up in your drive. That's just unrealistic. And there's people that want to know that, and I can't tell you that. So if you're one of those people, the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're welcome to do. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a regular business check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck. I still to this day have people ask me, can I bring you a check? Yeah, you can bring me a cashier's check. So it's not a big deal to run to the bank and grab one, and it's gives us peace of mind before handing over a high dollar truck. So anyways, if you are interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Again, this is a very nice truck, in really nice shape. They're very hard to find like this, especially in a crew cab. And this is also a very expensive truck. A truck like this new right now, I've been seeing them anywhere from like and I'm talking regular cabs and extended cabs, 170 to 180. So they're, you know, a crew cab, you're probably talking another, I don't know, 10 grand maybe. But these trucks are very expensive. So anyways, if you're interested, give me a call, and thanks for watching. HeavyMetalAuto.com. It's the end of the year, so don't wait around. These things are selling pretty quickly. Thanks.